Ой! Ебать! Воу! Ёбаный в рот!
A series of 6 to 10 explosions were reported by residents of the Russian administrative center of Bryansk shortly after midnight, followed by a massive fire at a Transneft oil depot. The regional governor, Alexander Bogomaz, claimed that air defense systems had shot down 10 attack drones over the oblast overnight. At the same time, Baza reports a series of explosions in Bryansk Oblast, followed by a massive fire. As usual, the governor said that there are no casualties or damage, but operational and emergency services are working on the spot. Later, Bogomaz said that, as a result of the drone attack, a production facility caught fire in Bryansk. According to Astra, an oil refinery in Bryansk caught fire after the drone attack. Russians wheel food and water to their positions using a self-made wheelbarrow, taking back soldiers' corpses in bags.
First, we take the guys' provisions to the front, and unfortunately, we bring the guys back in bags. That's our lousy service. Muddy, slippery, the wheel is inconvenient. We have to hold it. Hands get tired. It falls either to the left or to the right, every 100 to 150 meters before the chicken. Probably one wheel for 4 people. A target for the birds, just waiting. So these are how our combat days go.
Meanwhile, the Syrian Arab Army soldiers who laid down arms are reportedly escaping to Iraq en masse. This has angered Russian war correspondents in Syria, who documented the retreat of the Assad forces on Telegram in a very explicit manner. When Putin's regime falls, will Russian war supporters try to defend him, or will they run away?
These are all those bastards who laid down their arms. Just thousands and thousands of fucking bastards, damn Syrians, fucking scum. Just screwed in the head those fucking bastards running away. And we have to suffer here for these bastards. Just look, it's a complete mess, damn bastards. Bitches, damn it, they could have defended their homeland, damn it. You are just fucked. How many? Maybe 5,000 here, right, damn it. Look, the column of those bastards doesn't end. Damn it, they dropped their weapons, damn it. They dropped their balls. These are all fucking horse. 5 kilometers, damn it. Look at that, it doesn't end, damn it. Yes? As they say, may the force be with us, and may those bastards find their way to hell. Fucking hell, damn idiots.
The situation continues to be dynamic in Syria. Rebel leader Mohammed al-Bashir has declared himself head of Syria's transitional government, supported by the rebel group Hayat Tahrir al-Sham. The remnants of Assad's administration have expressed willingness to transfer power to the new leadership. Efforts continue to uncover the fate of prisoners of the Assad regime, especially in the notorious Sednaya prison, known as Syria's human slaughterhouse, media report. The White Helmets are searching underground sections despite conflicting reports on whether detainees remain, according to Middle East Eye. Evidence of severe human rights abuses, such as an iron execution press and blood-stained ropes, has been discovered in Sednaya. Thousands of prisoners have been freed from various Syrian government facilities. Among those are children who were born in prison, The Guardian reported. Ground fighting continues in northern Syria, particularly in the city of Manbij, where Kurdish forces are clashing with the Turkey-backed Syrian National Army. Reports claim Turkish airstrikes have targeted Manbij, and Turkish armored vehicles have entered northern Syria, though Ankara has not confirmed these claims. Russian propagandist Solovyev. I believe that Russian, Chinese, Indian, and North Korean peacekeeping troops should be stationed along the Atlantic coast, and we can establish the peacekeeping force headquarters on the islands, if there will be any, that were under Britain's colonial detestable government control. The whole freaking crazy political Western establishment needs to pray to Putin and his patience. Is this guy not tired of this gibberish talk?
I believe that it is necessary to send peacekeeping forces. Russia, China, maybe India, and they will fit perfectly somewhere along the Atlantic coast. Here is the Atlantic, yes, and North Korea. If by that time islands still exist, where the colonial, nasty government of Great Britain once was, then we can place the peacekeeping forces headquarters there. If Andrei Viktorovich's forecast has already come true by that time, then I'll remind our ships every time they pass by to be careful so that not damage Big Ben. But again, it all depends on how much they realize the power of our armed forces. And of course, in reality, all this damned crazy Western political establishment should be praying to Putin. The president said that the next strike would be on the decision-making center in Kyiv.
Russian drones struck and seriously damaged an International Atomic Energy Agency vehicle that was on its way to Zaporizhzhia NPP for personnel rotation. Fortunately, there were no victims. The IAEA Director General Rafael Grossi condemned this unacceptable attack on the agency's staff.
Взагалі страх втратили. Влучання дрону. Машина готова.
Ну, вода в кого є, дайте воду.
Ukraine is conducting a series of tests of the new Ruta missile. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky noted that the tests are going well. The president spoke about the missile at the presentation of the Boris Payton National Award, during which participants honored the contribution of science to the country's defense capabilities. Palyanitsia missile has entered mass production. Peklo drone missile has successfully passed its first combat use. We have recently handed over the first batch to our defense forces. Successful tests of the new Ruta missile are underway. The long-range Neptune will soon become a terrible reality for the occupiers, Zelensky stated. The president did not disclose any other details about the new Ruta missile. However, it is known that in June 2024, the Ruta missile by Destinus was demonstrated at the Ukrainian stand at the Eurosatory 2024. In Paris, the Ruta missile was presented in the insignia of the Ukrainian Air Force. It is no coincidence that Ukraine is now successfully testing the Ruta missile manufactured by Destinus. Destinus is a privately held European aerospace company specializing in aerospace, defense, and energy, founded in 2021 in Switzerland. The company is run by Mikhail Kokorich, a Russian national who renounced his Russian citizenship.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.